In today's video, I'll show you how to remove ads from Yahoo Mail and reduce distractions while checking your emails. If you're using Yahoo Mail for work or personal use, those ads on the side or inside your inbox can be annoying. While Yahoo doesn't allow you to completely remove ads for free, there are a few effective ways to get rid of them or minimize them. Let's go step by step. First, the official way to remove ads is by upgrading to Yahoo Mail Plus. To do this, sign into your Yahoo Mail account, click on the Settings icon, then choose More Settings. From there, look for the option that says Upgrade or Ad-Free Mail. Once you subscribe, ads are removed from your inbox, and you also get extra features like priority support and more storage. If you don't want to pay, there are still a few free methods you can try. One simple option is using an ad blocker. Install a trusted ad blocking extension in your browser, such as one from the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. After enabling it, refresh Yahoo Mail. In many cases, sidebar and inbox ads will disappear or be greatly reduced. Another helpful trick is switching to Yahoo Mail Basic. Yahoo Mail Basic has a simpler layout and often shows fewer ads. To access it, scroll to the bottom of Yahoo Mail and look for a link that says Switch to Basic Mail, or search Yahoo Mail Basic in your browser and sign in. You can also reduce ad clutter by opening emails in full message view and keeping your inbox organized with folders and filters. While this doesn't remove ads completely, it makes them less noticeable. Keep in mind, some ad blockers may stop working if Yahoo updates its system, and Yahoo Mail Plus is the only guaranteed ad-free option. And that's how you remove ads from Yahoo Mail. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.